This how to 1 minute will show you how to add or upload a plugin from your cPanel. You can easily upload any plugin or any theme to your WordPress website from cPanel directly. In this video, I will show you the whole process. First of all, log into your cPanel and you have to open your file manager. Once you are in your file manager, now navigate to your website folder and open WP-content folder by double clicking on it and open plugins folder. Once you are in your plugin folder, it's time to upload your plugin from your computer, right? To do that, click on upload and now click on select file. From your computer, select your plugin folder and click on open. Once the plugin uploaded, click on go back. So here I uploaded my plugin in zip format. Now we need to extract the zip file. So select the plugin zip folder and click on extract. So my plugin name was classic-widget. I'm going to reloading the folder. And as you can see, the classic-widget plugin has been successfully uploaded to my WordPress from cPanel. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.